where we're going. Or why the hell we're bothered anyhow.
You're doing a good deed.
Want to give us a better reason?
Yeah, a maniac hijacked a municipal bus with 30 passengers on it. That's a pretty good reason.
Simon says please.
Good lord, this movie is amazing, isn't it?
You're making it too easy for me.
It's okay, I guess.
Piece of shit.
Okay, you guess? This is Sylvester Stallone's greatest work since Rocky, Judge Dredd, Over the Top.
It's just a bad action movie. It's not like it's gonna change your life.
Actually, I think that's exactly what it's gonna do. Life-changing event alert. Starting tomorrow, I'm gonna live my life as if I was a member of the San Angeles community.
Are you serious?
Oh, I'm serious. I'm gonna dye my hair blonde, wear overalls, and a sleeveless red tank top.
Bam, you bitch.
Okay, maybe not those three things, but definitely live by the code of the Demolition Man.
Keep dreaming.
Be well.
Good morning, sweetie.
The days of lip-filled displays of affection are over. We will now greet each other with the official San Angeles handshake.
Are you feeling okay?
Your tone is quasi-facetious. I've never felt better. Excuse me.
What are you doing with those 3 seashells?
What does it look like I'm doing?
I don't know. That's why I asked.
She didn't know how to use the 3 seashells. Dingy broad.
What do you want for lunch? I can go get McDonald's or Burger King or Jack in the
Whoa!
Box.
Whoa! Aren't you aware that Taco Bell is the only franchise to have survived the franchise wars? I will be eating Taco Bell for the rest of my life. End of story.
Are you fucking serious?
You are fined 1 credit for a violation of the verbal morality statute.
What the fuck was that?
Watch your language, Missy!
You are fined
Do you want us to get fined more credits? Dr. Cocteau will be very unpleased.
What was that sound?
That, my dear, is a San Angeles sanctioned language monitor. I installed it while you were in the shower. Help you get rid of that potty mouth of yours?
Where the fuck did you get a language monitor?
You are fined
Will
1
you stop
credit for
swearing?
violation
We're gonna
of the
lose
verbal
all of our
morality
credits.
statute.
Credits? Credits for what?
Honestly, I don't know.
You are a fucking idiot. And
You are
fuck
fined
you
1
too.
credit. You are fined 1 credit for a violation.
Hey now.
Go away.
Look, I know this new lifestyle is going to take some getting used to. Let me make it up to you. How would you like to sex matumbo? And of course by sex matumbo, I mean sex Nate Dizzle.
Wow, you are the charmer.
Come on. It's the one thing that'll never change, and we know I'm great at it.
Okay. This book wasn't very interesting anyways.
Sweet. Put this on.
What is this?
It's your neuron transferring mind helmet.
And what am I supposed to do with it?
Have sex. Duh.
Listen, why don't we just do it the old-fashioned way?
Fluid transfer? Disgusting.
No, I mean boning, the wild mambo, the hunka-chunka.
You are a savage creature. I really don't think you're going to deal well with the San Angeles way of life. I will politely ask you to leave my domicile. Be well.
Be fucked. Shut
You
up!
are fined 1 credit for a violation of the verbal morality statute.